Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can enable payments on Weebly so that you can make payments for your domain, websites and many more services. So let's get started. First of all, open the web browser on your mobile device and go to Weebly's official website, that is www.weebly.com. From there, once you are logged in, you will be redirected to the main dashboard of the Weebly. And from there you have to click on the hamburger option, which is located at the bottom left corner of the screen. And from there click on the settings option, which is at the bottom of the screen. From there click on checkouts. Then you will be redirected to the checkout page, and here you will get two options how you can enable payment. If you want to choose PayPal, you have to upgrade in order to use PayPal. For this tutorial, I will be clicking on Stripe and simply click on the connect option. There you have to enter whether you are creating a new Stripe account or you already have it, and enter this information. And from there, once you have entered all the information, simply click on connect. And once you click on connect, your Stripe account will be connected to your Weebly website. And from there you can make payments directly. And this is how you can enable payments on the Weebly website. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.